Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss about exercise 11B, question number 5 of class 8 mathematics. I will short today's lecture and I will take your answers on last 15 minutes. That if you have any question regarding the criteria what we are using about sine, cos and tan, and if you have any questions regarding previous lecture or regarding today's lecture, because these are very technical questions. If you don't have any knowledge about that and you are not clear about that, then you can't do that perfectly. For example, today we are going to solve question number 5, that is intermediate level, at page number 205. Question number 5. This is a symbol of 90 degree. That scaled angle. Either you can write it or not. This is 90 degree angle. Okay. Now after this line breaks this angle. That is A H. And this is again perpendicular. This is also 90 degree. This is B. That is 56 degree. And this is C. The AB side is 8.9 meter. We need to find what? Find the side AH and find the side HC. Now understand this question, what he is asking. He's asking that this is the triangle and you need to find the value of AH. Where is AH? This is AH. This perpendicular is AH. And HC, this side of measurement we need to find it. Now think about it, what we are given. This is 56 degree, this angle is given, this is 90 degree, and this is 8.9 meter. Now, you can see that this is 8.9 meter and you need to find the value of AH, then you can easily see that if this is 90 degree, then this is also 90 degree. Okay. First, we need to consider about the triangle. Remember that this is the symbol of triangle. This small triangle is called triangle. We will consider the triangle. We have three triangles here. First triangle is AHC. This is triangle and also this is a right angle triangle. I hope you get this. What is right angle triangle? Right angle triangle is the triangle in which one angle is of 90 degree. So AHC, first triangle. Second triangle is ABH. If this angle is 90 degree, then this angle is also of 90 degree. This angle is also of 90 degree. ABH, this is also a right angle triangle. And another bigger triangle, that is ABC. This is also a right angle triangle because for this triangle ABC, we have already this angle. This angle is of 90 degree. But first we need to consider this triangle, ABH. What is ABH triangle? This is. I'm going to draw here this triangle. This triangle is just like of this type. This is B. This is 90 degree with H. and this is A. Now this angle is not 90 degree because we are going to take only this portion of the angle. Okay. Now this angle is also given, that is 56 degree. Okay. And AB side, that is 8.9 meter. Now think in your mind that how we can find the value of AH. Where is AH? This is AH. So for this triangle, we have perpendicular, we have base, and we have hypotenuse. Okay. The side opposite to 90 degree, this is AB, this is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse here is AB. Okay. The side other than the angle other than 90 degree is basic angle. This is also basic angle, this is also basic angle. It is up to us that for which angle we are going to make base or perpendicular. We are going to consider this angle. Okay. Opposite to this basic angle, the side is called perpendicular. So opposite to this angle, this side is called AH, and this is perpendicular. That is AH, and the side which is adjacent to this angle in 90 degree, this is base. Or you can see that AB is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, and the left, the other side, the last side, which is base. So base is DH. Now think about that, how we can find the value of AH, how we can find the perpendicular. So recalling your mind, for perpendicular, which ratio, which trigonometric ratio the perpendicular is given? Sine and tan, because sine is, some people have sine is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse and tan is equal to perpendicular over base. So now we will decide that whether we need to use the sine or we need to use the tan. Okay, we have given the hypotenuse. So for hypotenuse we will use the sine. Sine 56 is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse. Now the question is why we are not using the tan. Okay, if we are going to use the tan, then we require perpendicular and base. In this case, we don't have the value of perpendicular because we need to find it. Perpendicular is AH. And hypotenuse, we are given with hypotenuse. Hypotenuse AD is equal to 8.9. So now we can easily find the perpendicular. But in this case, we don't have any value of perpendicular, even we don't have any value of this, BH. Both are unknown. So how we can find the value of perpendicular or how we can find the value of this? So the easiest thing is we need to use this sine. Now, within your scientific calculators, open them and calculate the value of sine 56. So, sine 56 is equal to 0.829 is equal to perpendicular. What is perpendicular? Perpendicular is AH. And what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is AD. What is 8.9? Now this 8.9 we are going to multiply to this. 0.829 multiplied by 8.9 is equal to AH. Multiply them. .9 multiplied by 0.829, that is 7.4 meters. And that's it. We have done with this AH. Now, you need to find the value of HC. HC is present within this triangle, within two triangles actually. HC is present within this triangle and also for this AH. Now we have this value of AH. AH value is now 7.4 meter. Okay. Within this triangle, we have only one side. We need at least one basic angle. No basic angle is present in AHC. We remember that every triangle angle sum is equal to 180 degree. If you don't know it, then I'm going to tell you that if we have any triangle which contains three angles, any triangle in the world, with every triangle, you know that every triangle have three angles. So the sum of these three angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C, its sum is always 180 degrees. So for this triangle, triangle ABC, these three angles sum is also 180 degrees. So we need this angle C. How we can find this angle C according to this criteria? Angle A. What is angle A? Angle is 90 degree. What is angle B? Angle B is 56 degree. And what is angle C? We can easily conclude that what is angle C. We can say that for triangle ABC. Where is triangle ABC? This is ABC. For this triangle ABC, we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. What is angle A? Angle A is this one, completely 90 degree. What is angle B? Angle B is of 56 degree. So put it now. What is angle C? Angle C we are not given. So angle C, we need to write it as it is. Now add the 90 plus 56. It will make 146 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now to find the value of angle C, 146 will going to subtract there. Angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 146 degree. Subtract them. Angle 180 degrees minus 180 minus 146, that is 34 degrees. So angle C is of 34 degrees. Now we realize that this angle C is of 34 degrees. Now we can easily find this side HC. HC is present in this. So we will consider this triangle. So due to the problem of space, we will do this here. For triangle, now we will talk about the triangle AHC. Remember that this triangle is also right angle triangle AHC because it contains the 90 degree. Now I am going to draw this triangle here. This portion I am going to draw here. A, H, and C. C is 34 degree. H is 90 degree. And AH side is 7.4 meter. You need to find this side. Now decide that which side is perpendicular, which side is base or hypotenuse. Opposite to 90 degree, this side is hypotenuse. So we can say that hypotenuse here is AC. Opposite to basic angle, this is basic angle. This is BH. This is perpendicular. And we have the value of perpendicular, that is 7.4 meter. And the last side, which is adjacent to this angle, that is base, HC. which we need to find it. Now one side is given, other side is not. Perpendicular is given and base we need to find. These are active sides. So perpendicular and base makes which trigonometric ratio? Think about it. You are already familiar with these things: sine, cos, and tan. Which trigonometry which we are going to use, which have perpendicular and also base, that is tan. So we can say that tan basic angle is 34 degree. 34 is equal to perpendicular over base. Okay. Now calculate it through your calculator. Tan 34 0.674 perpendicular, that is perpendicular here, that is 7.4 meter. And what is base? Base is HC. You need to find the value of HC. So HC will multiply and 0.67 will divide here. So HC is equal to 7.4 divided by 0.67. Now divide them. 7.4 divided by 0.674, that is 10.9, or you can say that 11 meters. And that's it. This was your question number 5. And now we will discuss about question number 6. The last part of intermediate level. Question number 6 is P S R, this is P, this is Q, this is also 90 degree, 45 degree, and this is 60 degree, and this side is 25 centimeter. P, P, S, Q, and R. We need to find the value of PQ, PP, and PR. These three sides we need to find out. So, how many triangles you have? We have 4 triangles. First is this one, PSR. This is bigger triangle. The second triangle is this PTQ. Second triangle. The third triangle is PSQ. The fourth triangle is QSR. So, for these triangles, we need to solve these unknown values, that is PQ and PT and P. First is PQ. Where is PQ present? You can see that there is PQ present. So we need to find the value of this side, PQ. We are not given with any number, any side number, even in the question. Yes. QS is 25 centimeter. This QS is of 25 centimeter. And not other than that, you have only one side which is given. So think about it, how we can find the value of TQ. We can see that TQ is present between two triangles. TQ side is present within two triangles. Either TQ is present in this triangle PTQ, in which no side is present. So how we can find it? Okay. The other triangle is TSQ. This is TSQ. For this triangle, we have one side, that's 30. And also, if this is 90 degree of perpendicular, then this side is also 90 degree. Yes, we can solve it through this second triangle. So, we are going to write that for triangle. This triangle TSQ. I'm going to draw this triangle here. This triangle is just like this. This is 90 degree. T as this is 60 degree. And this is Q. And SQ side is of 25 centimeter. And you need to find the value of TQ. Where is TQ there? This is also a right angle triangle. We can easily find it. But first, we need to judge that what are these sides. This is 90 degree. Opposite to 90 degree side is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is SQ, which is 25 centimeter. The basic angle, where is the basic angle? This. Opposite to this basic angle, the side is not the base, the side is perpendicular. Perpendicular is TQ, which we need to find. And the last side is, that is TS, which is base. TS. We need to find this value. This is active, and the other side given is SQ. We need to find the value of perpendicular, and we are given with hypotenuse. So perpendicular and hypotenuse, we need to use it. Now think about this situation. Which trigonometric ratio we need to use here? For perpendicular and hypotenuse, we have sine. So sine of basic angle 60 is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse. The value of sine 60 is 0.866. Perpendicular value is, you need to find it PQ, and hypotenuse value they have already given, that is SQ 25. So 25 will going to multiply here. So PQ will be, after multiplying them, and then your calculators. 25 multiplied by 0.866, 21.65 centimeters. And that's it.
सर दोबारा एक्सप्लेन कर दें इसको.
Now we are done with only this TQ side. This TQ side is 21.65. I'm going to write it. This is done. Now we need to find the value of PT. So consider that where is PT? PT is here, present in this triangle PTQ. So for this triangle PTQ, we have 90 degree angle, but and also we have one side which is long, but we require one angle, one basic angle also. We don't have any basic angle. This is 90 degree, and to find the value of the basic angle, how we can find the basic angle? You can see that this is 90 degree, and for this angle, This angle is of, this is also 90 degrees, and the remaining angle is also completely of 90 degrees. So we need to require, this is lengthy question. So this is 90 degree and the other side completely is 90 degree. But this, you can see that this line breaks this angle. These are two angles we need to find. How we can find these two angles? We can easily find it within this triangle. We're talking about this triangle, we have two angles which are now. First angle is this 90 degree, second angle is this 60 degree, and the other angle is, that is angle Q, which we require is, you know that, angle T plus angle S plus angle Q is equal to, after adding three angles, we are left with 180 degree. So angle T is 90 degree, angle S is 60 degree, and angle Q, we need to find it, is equal to 180 degree. 90 plus 60 makes 150, plus angle Q is equal to 180 degree. 150 degree will going to subtract here. 180 minus 150, and after that 30 degree. The angle Q is of 30 degree. Mean to say, this is 90 degree, this is of 30 degree, and the remaining angle is, this is 90, this is 30, and the remaining angle, this is of 60 degree. This angle is of 60 degree. So now we are left with only this angle. So we can easily solve it. Now we will solve this triangle. To find the value of this side PT, we require this triangle PTQ. So for triangle PTQ, which we are going to draw it here, that is just like this. This is angle T of 90 degree, this is angle P, and this is angle Q, which is of 60 degree. Okay, this side which we need to find the value of PT, and TQ side is already given, that is 21.65 centimeter. Now the side opposite to 90 degree, that is hypotenuse, which is PQ. The side opposite to basic angle is PT, which is perpendicular, which we need to find it, and the adjacent side to this angle is base PQ, which is 21.65 centimeter. Now you need to find the value of this PT. This is perpendicular, this is base. Base is given, and the perpendicular which we need to find. So perpendicular and base make the trigonometric ratio 10. So use the 10 60 is equal to perpendicular over base. Tan 60 is calculated to your calculator. Tan 60 is equal to 1.732. Perpendicular is PT. Base is 21.65. Multiply it. 21.65. 37.50. That's it. Now PT side is of 37.50. Okay. Now the last side is of PR. Where is PR? This is P and this is R. This is within this triangle PR. Okay. This is also within this triangle SQR. So we need to first find the value of PQ and then Q bar. Okay, remaining part of this question we will solve in our next lecture. Now, if you have any questions regarding this lecture or this lecture,